Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to stop a live server. In one of my previous videos, I explained how you can start a live server. There are two common ways. The first way is going to status bar and clicking on Go Live. Make sure the file is open in the VS Code editor, like I got HTML file here. You can also right click and click on Open with Live Server. And you can see we got a live server running at port 59918. Now to stop the live server, there are two common ways. The first way is going on the status bar and clicking here. It will stop the live server. The second way is going to view, clicking on this command palette. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type here live server, and you will get this option, stop live server. Simply click on this and you can see the server is stopped. So these are two common ways that you can utilize to stop a live server in VS Code editor. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.